Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I have a great lesson for you. Today I'm gonna tell you some tongue twisters. Tongue twisters help you to just develop your skills of speaking and then accent power. If you want to improve your accent power, just work with the tongue twisters. Tongue twisters give you the control on your tongue and it helps you to build up your fluency. So there are 4 tongue twisters I have for you. Let's see one by one. The first one I have for you, this is, if you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. And if you understand and say don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Understand. I'm gonna repeat it. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and say don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Understand. Don't get it? Look at it here. This is for you. Now you can try to speak. Got it? Keep trying, and you can do one thing. Just record your video, audio, and just check it out. Then how you are just speaking. Are you able to complete it within limited time or not? Are you taking it much time, or are you completing it within limited time? It's up to you. Keep trying. Let's see the next. The next I have for you, a big black bear with a big black bug, and the big black bug bled black blood. I'm gonna repeat it one more time. A big black bear with a big black bug, and the big black bug bled black blood. Didn't get it? Look at it here. This is for you. So just you can repeat it, you can read it, and then you can try it. You have time. Practice it. Okay, let's see the next. The third one I have for you, the third tongue twisters is for you. He stopped at the shop where I shop. And if she stopped at the shop where I shop, I won't shop at the shop where she shop. I'm gonna repeat it one more time. She stops at the shop where I stop. And if she stops at the shop where I shop, I won't shop at the shop where she shop. Didn't get it? Look at here. She stops at the shop where I stop. And if she shops at the shop where I shop, I will not shop at the shop where she shop. Keep practicing. Try. It's your turn. Good. Very good. Let's see the next. The next one I have for you. 3 grey geese in the green grass grazing. Grey were the geese and green was the grass. One more time. 3 grey geese in the green grass grazing. Grey were the geese and green was the grass. Didn't get it? Look at here. It's your turn. Good. Keep practicing. So these are the 4 tongue twisters I have for you. I hope you like the video, and then please support us. Keep supporting, keep learning. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.